Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for yet another hopefully interesting lesson for you all. Another classic Bee Gees song, this one, from about 1972 I believe, a song called Run to Me. I'm in standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing it in the same key that the Bee Gees originally recorded the song in. So without more to do, I am going to go through the song for you now, and I'll break it down and show you exactly how I played it all, and you should be up and running up with it in no time, hopefully. Singing as usual, definitely for reference only. So here we go. If you ever got rain in your heart, someone has hurt you and torn you apart. Am I unwise to open up your eyes to love me and let it be like they said it would be? Me loving you, girl, and you loving me. Am I unwise to open up your eyes to love? Run to me wherever you're lonely. Run to me if you need a shoulder now and then. You need someone older, darling. You run to me. And when you're out in the cold, no one beside you and no one to hold. Am I unwise to open up your eyes to love me? And when you got nothing to lose, nothing to pay for, nothing to chew, am I unwise to open up your eyes to love? Run to me wherever you're lonely. Run to me if you need a shoulder now and then. You need someone older, darling. You run to me whenever you're lonely. Run to me if you need a shoulder now and then. You need someone older, darling. You run to me. Something like that. The Bee Gees actually just fade out on the chorus, so I had to put an ending on it of some sort, so there we have it. Okay, so let's try and break this great song down for you. On the beginning of the classic intro of this song, it's like a plinky plonky piano bit going on, so I've tried to emulate it on the old guitar. So this is basically a lazy A chord. I'm barring the 2nd fret, 1st finger, 4 strings, okay, and I'm putting my pinky up to the 5th fret on the 2nd string, B string, and I'm strumming down from 5 down to 2, okay, like that. And then sort of very lightly strumming, and then going down to the 3rd fret with my 2nd finger, keeping hold of the lazy A, making it a sus4 by putting the 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string and doing the same thing, and then taking the finger off and playing just a straight bar, okay, so it's okay. Then I'm putting my 3rd finger, keeping the lazy A going, onto the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and then doing a single strum on the A lazy A chord. Okay, so you can use your pinky for this. Something like you can use your pinky to do that 3rd string, 4th fret if you want as well, whichever is more comfortable. Okay, so don't play it too quick. It's quite a slow song actually, so it's difficult. So don't try and play it too fast, okay? Just a single strum at the end there. Then there's a bit of a pause, and it goes If you ever got rain in your heart, and we end up on a G chord, okay? So let's do that again for you. If you ever got rain in your heart, okay? Then we go down to an F sharp minor, 2nd fret bar chord, minor shape, fretting the 4th fret of the 5th and 4th strings with 2 fingers. They're the 3rd finger of my pinky, okay? So a G to the F sharp minor, okay? So if you ever got rain in your heart, F sharp minor, someone has hurt you, to a D chord and torn you apart. Then we got a progression down from the D, C sharp minor, bar chord 4th fret, minor shape, down to the B minor. It's like that's a passing chord, very quick. C sharp minor down to the B minor. Okay, so from the beginning, let's do it gets that far. If you ever got rain in your heart, someone has hurt you, torn you apart. Am I wise? Now to an E chord, to open up your eyes, to A, love me brother, okay? And that's the whole verse, and it's the same for all the verses, okay? So let's do that again, and then we'll go into the second verse and you'll see it's exactly the same, okay? So here we go. If you ever got rain in your heart, someone has hurt you and torn you apart. Am I unwise to open up your eyes to love me and let it be like they said it'd be? Me loving you, girl, and you loving me. Am I unwise to open up your eyes to love me? And then you're into the chorus, okay? So all the verses exactly the same to play. And the chorus, right, you go into the A, run to me, C sharp minor, 4th fret bar chord minor shape, okay? Wherever you're lonely, D, run to me, if D minor, and a bit of a strum on that just to emphasise the chord, that sort of thing, up near the bridge somewhere, give it a bit more definition, okay? So A, run to me, C sharp minor, wherever you're lonely, D, run to me, C, D minor, with your shoulder, A, now, and G, then, so A now, and then is G, then you F sharp 7th, need someone older, so it's an F sharp major chord, 2nd fret bar chord major chord, with pinky off, F sharp 7th, someone older, so D minor again, darling, E chord, you run to A, me, and that is the chorus, every time, okay? So let's just go for the chorus again very slowly. A, run to me, C sharp minor, ever you're lonely, D, run to me, D minor, E with a short A, now G, and then F sharp 7th, you need someone older, D minor, solid E, you run A to me. And when you're just out in the cold, no one beside you and no one to hold. Am I unwise to open up your eyes and love me? Another verse. And when you got nothing to lose, nothing to pay for, nothing to choose. Am I unwise to open your eyes? Two choruses. Run to me, wherever you're lonely. Run to me, if you need a shoulder now and someone older. So darling, you run, start again, chorus, run to me, wherever you're lonely, run to me, if you need a shoulder, now and then, you need someone older, so darling, you run. Outro. And all they did for an outro there was when you come out of that, darling, run to A sus4. So it's like a downstroke, upstroke, so, and then the sus4, little pinky goes to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then sort of pick a bit on the top E string, 2nd string and 3rd string if you like. It's quite a nice ending. Okay, so there you have it. That's my take on Run to Me by the Bee Gees. Hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.